Hi, today we will learn about Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan culture, is one of the earliest urban civilizations. About 5,000 years ago, a group of nomads traveling from Sumeria entered northwestern India and settled there without hesitation. The civilization's anchor lay in the beautiful twin cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. These cities were made of bricks, either baked mud or wood bricks, and amazingly, every brick was of the same size. City's population was about 30,000 and had very modern methods of sanitation and sewerage. Located below the great mountain range, it was abundant with water and fertile soil, making agriculture as the main occupation. Further proof of this is the presence of a large well, a central marketplace, and several granaries in the city. The great public bath house, was near the granary. The beautiful bath area had a layer of natural tar, preventing water from leaking. Houses were well protected from noise, odor, and thieves. Each house opened out into inner courtyards and smaller lanes, so it was safe. Although some houses were larger than the others, the city seemed to promote an equal society, for all houses had the same kind of access to water and drainage. The city had an impressive defense structure in place as well. It lacked outer walls, but there was defensive towers in the west and south. Since other Indus cities had stronger defensive systems in place, it is speculated that perhaps Mohenjo-daro was only an administrative center. Bye bye.